In only 2 minutes, you are going to know the difference between cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Hey guys, this is Abo and you're watching YTVL Get content related to cybersecurity, hacking, bug bounty, and tech. So let's get started. So what is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity means analyzing and resolving the security problems in the system in order to protect the data from the thefts. Now let's talk about ethical hacking. Ethical hacking involves finding vulnerabilities and weakness in the system that the malicious hacker can use to damage the company. Ethical hacker report the weakness to the owner and fix it. And the second point is cybersecurity involves roles such as security roles as a security analyst and SOC engineer in the company. Ethical hacker involves roles such as penetration tester and security manager in the company. And third point is cybersecurity experts focus on how to protect the system, how to secure as much as possible. That is a defensive job. Whereas ethical hackers focus on how to attack the system, how to break the security and network of the company, means that is offensive job. The fourth point is cybersecurity experts regularly update the system in order to make sure that the system is updated and to provide latest security. Whereas ethical hackers keep on testing the system continuously in order to find out the weakness in the system and to exploit the weakness within the organization. And the last point is that all cybersecurity experts are not ethical hackers, but all ethical hackers are cybersecurity experts. So that's all guys for this video. If you want to learn ethical hacking and want to earn from bug bounty, then watch any of these videos.